Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the name of a location on the Life360 app. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the building icon. This icon represents the Places section where all your saved locations are stored. It's where you can manage and customize all the important spots you've added to your Life360 map. Once you're in the Places section, you'll see a list of your current locations. For this example, tap on Add Your School. This is the location we'll be renaming, but the same process works for any place you've saved in the app. Next, you'll need to input the address or location if you haven't already added it. This step ensures Life360 knows exactly which spot you're referring to and can track arrivals and departures accurately. Now here's where the actual renaming happens. Look for the field that's currently labeled School and tap on it. This field is what displays as the location name throughout the app, so changing it here will update it everywhere in Life360. Once you've tapped on that field, you can type in whatever name you prefer. For example, you might want to change it to Brothers School to make it more specific and easier to identify at a glance. This customization is really helpful when you have multiple similar locations and need to tell them apart quickly. After you've entered your new location name, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a Save button there. Go ahead and tap on it to confirm your changes. This finalizes the new name and ensures it's stored in your Life360 account. And that's it. You've successfully changed the name of a location on Life360, making your saved places more personalized and easier to manage. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.